Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds and music on the Call of Duty game. So let's get started right away. Now if you already have the Call of Duty game on your device, then go ahead and open it up. Once the game is fully loaded and you are able to start your game, just join any game of your choosing, and once the match begins, if you wish to turn off sound, then you will need to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Just tap on the gear icon alongside the map, and now you will be able to find settings. Tap on the settings option and now you will find the audio and graphics menu. Tap on this and then tap on audio, and now you have the option to modify volumes for each different kind of sound within the game, or you can completely turn them off. Tap on the off option for the master volume if you want all the volumes to be turned off. You can only turn off the music by tapping on the off button alongside music volume. And once you do this, you will stop hearing music within your gameplay on the Call of Duty game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds and music on the Call of Duty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.